Jeez, it's Nate on a snow day tearing into a Nutella burrito there with crepes and pineapple and Nutella. Do you like it? It's good, huh? Who made those crepes for you? Who made those crepes for you? Who? Oh, you're good. You're not talking with your mouth full. Jeez, who made those crepes for you?
They're so yummy.
They are yummy. But who made them? Who made them?
It's good.
Yeah, I know they're good, but who made them for you?
Look right there.
Yeah, you got a lot of Nutella on your hands. No, you don't have any more Nutella on your hands. It's on your face.
There.
Yeah, you missed the spot. Who made them?
It's good.
I know it's good, but who made them?
Your dad made them.
You're Nate.
Dogs.
That's right. These dogs are really waiting for you to drop a piece, but I don't think it's going to happen today.
Oh, don't touch anything. Don't touch anything.
Don't touch. Keep
Are
your
you
hands
all
up.
done? Do you want me to wash your hands?
Show me your hands. Yeah, good job.
They're actually wiping with his
Yeah.
faces.